Hello, this is Sangeetha, Assistant Professor, ECE Department, SNS College of Engineering. So today I'm going to share and analyze a case study on density-based traffic light controller, because nowadays used ordinary traffic light controller which controls the traffic lights as per the time. So this is mainly for detecting the density on the road and can can change the timing according to the density. So this is the conventional method, and this is the conventional method. Why we need a density based control system? So to for the efficient traffic flow, by using sensors to detect the vehicle density, the traffic light controller can adjust the timing and sequence of the traffic lights dynamically. So this helps optimize the traffic flow and reduce congestion at intersections. So it ensures that green lights are given to the direction with higher vehicle density, allowing traffic to move smoothly, and reduced traffic light congestion. By optimizing the traffic flow, the density based traffic light controller helps reduces the traffic congestion. So this lead to shorter travel times, less fuel consumption, and lower emissions from idling vehicles. It improves the overall transportation efficiency and reduces the negative impact of the traffic congestion on the environment. And also it provides improved safety. The traffic light controller can enhance the safety at intersections by intelligently adapting the signal timing based on real-time vehicle density. It can provide longer green signals for high density areas and shorter green signals for low density areas. So this helps reduce the chances of accidents caused by vehicles running red lights or driver rushing through intersections. And also it provides and ensures enhanced pedestrian safety. The traffic light controller can be designed to prioritize the pedestrian crossing by adjusting the signal timings accordingly. So it can allocate more time to pedestrian phases when higher pedestrian activity is detected. This improves safety for the pedestrians and encourages working as a mode of transportation, and it provides scalability and adaptability and cost effectiveness. So next we will see how it can be implemented using 8051. So 8051 is a microcontroller. So implementing a density based traffic light controller system using 8051, it involves several steps. The first one is hardware setup. So we have to connect the 8051 controller to the required components such as traffic lights, sensors, and other peripherals. So assigning appropriate IO pins for controlling the traffic lights and reading sensor inputs. So it can be connected through ports. There are 4 ports in 8051. And the next step is sensor integration. So install and configure the necessary sensors to detect vehicle density at each intersection. So the sensors could be inductive loop detectors, infrared sensors, or any other suitable technology. So the sensors connect the sensors output to the input pins of the microcontroller. So the next stage is traffic light control logic. We have to determine the traffic light timings and sequences for each intersections based on the vehicle density. So define the states of traffic lights such as green, yellow, red, along with their corresponding duration. First we have to select the duration and create a traffic light state machine that transitions between states based on the vehicle density inputs. We have to give more time for the density side, and give less time for, even if the green light glows, we have to check the density. And the last stage is testing and refinement. We have to write the code and we have to compile and flashing. And the last stage is testing and refinement. So connect the hardware setup to the power source and verify the functionality of the traffic light controller. So we have to check the different traffic scenarios and adjust the control logic if necessary, and refine the code and hardware as needed to achieve desired performance. So it is important to note that these steps provide high level overview of implementation process. So the specific details and code implementation may be vary based on the requirements, based on the sensors used and the programming language, or whatever it is. So additionally, we may need to consider factors like pedestrian crossings, emergency vehicles, priority, and synchronizations with neighboring intersections. So these are the steps involved in the implementation of density based traffic light system using 8055, 8051. So it improves, again I'm telling, it improves the traffic, and it is very cost effective, and it provides scalability and adaptability. So it improves the quality of life. By implementing a density based light control, society can be benefited from improved traffic flow, reduced congestion, shorter travel times, enhanced safety, and the environmental sustainability. So these are the advantages ultimately lead to more efficient and livable urban environment. Thank you.